honey melon Ciroc, Midori melon liqueur frozen in ice cubes, cucumbers frozen, honey, pineapple juice, lime juice, and did I say frozen melon? Frozen melon. Y'all, I'm over it right now. I'm not even in the headspace to do anything. But this is what happens when you're trying to work hard. Figure out an income or something. Trying to figure out what to do with your life. Okay. So this Midori, I tried to put into ice cubes. As you can see, I mean, as we know, this has liquor in it. But it's a long story why that's not cold yet. It got to do with the freezer space right now. Well, that's my guess. Because, you know, if you had the part where the air comes out, I'm not even about to get into all that. Okay. So, with the Midori, we needed 2 ounces worth of ice cubes. I'm not doing this in any particular order. Since I did 2 ounces melon liqueur, I'm going to go ahead and do the 2 ounces of Ciroc. I promise I won't spill it this time. I promise. See? I did a good job. Okay. Half a cup of frozen cucumber. This is my half a cup. You see, yes, it's sticking out. But that's how I did that. 1.5 ounces of lime juice. 1.5 ounces of lime juice. I just made this recipe up based off of a few different recipes I saw. I knew what I was going for, so I Googled it. See, like, okay, how do other people make this? And then, so basically, I put my small twist to it, according to what I've seen. And then 2 cups of pineapple juice. So I put my, not 2 cups, 2 ounces. So I put my own little twist to this. And I don't know what it's going to taste like. Because, like, I saw one recipe where they did lime juice and melon, I think. But I don't think they did pineapple. And I know for my last one, I did mango. Which I just wanted to do mango because it has, like, the Ciroc has, like, tropical flavors in it. Alright, so now we got 1 cup. Yes, I made a mess. Now we got 1 cup of frozen melon. Y'all, what the heck? Watch me struggle. Watch me struggle. I'm over people. Life is lifing. I'm just add a little extra. Now the last one, if you go to my other video, I also did simple syrup. But I didn't do that this time. Okay, so I'm gonna add ice cubes. Just to be on the safe side. Just 3. That's all I did. And we'll be back. I'm back. Let's take this bad boy I did not work at Starbucks. I don't know how to do this. How that look. Ready for the pour. Ready for the pour. And of course there's some left over because I have not been calculating lately how it should be. Voila! Ugh. Why does straw look like that? Okay. So now we're gonna do the taste test. It does kind of remind me of it's not super different from the last one, but I don't even remember what the last one tastes like. But this one is fine to me. I feel like I definitely can tell there's cucumbers in it though. Like you can tell it's melon cucumber. But I think it's cool. Yeah. Now I can definitely from this I would say it gives off that refreshing summer drink that my sister referred to it last time. It's kind of a vibe. Try it if you want to. You see the ingredients: cucumber, melon. Those are the really primary things. Anyway, toodles. Cheers.